got done thatching this one. Big one. Hard to gauge distance, but I'm about, I'd say 100 feet from the truck and maybe 200 feet from that green telephone box down there. All with this. It's not self-propelled. I'm not complaining, there's some hills, but it took me about an hour. And I'll show you real quick. You know, you can see where I went and where I didn't. Property line for this house goes straight back. If you can see that blue wellhead, straight back. But you can see the line where I stopped. This thing isn't too aggressive, but it's rained heavy, and I don't want to make a mess. Doesn't really need it anyway. And then straight down to that tree straight ahead at 12 o'clock. And then it kind of dips in past where you can't see another 30 feet. So this is what you're left with. There's a little green in there, but not much. You can see the green grass coming through. He's got pretty good grass here. It's thick. Got some weed in there too. We'll put some pre-emergent down, take care of that, lime and fertilize it. Be ready to go. It's a little chilly, but definitely stayed warm doing this. So you got made a little mess right there, you know. I don't really like that. And you can see where I didn't go, kind of a sweeping curve there. I didn't want to tear that up. And back over to there in between the trees, I didn't do either. It's kind of gnarly in there. Long needle pine, hemlock maybe. It's dead. I'm gonna cut that down. Not today, I don't have the time, and I don't have my saws, so I'll be back to do that. And he's got 3 little small cherry trees about the size of that one right next to it that I'm gonna cut down for him. Piece of cake, get rid of them in the woods. I used to do a lot of work in the city, and in the city you have to haul everything away. And I dealt with other problems there too. Out here, now that I'm out in the country, most of my customers, including myself, I have woods. Granted, my woods go up a hill, so it's a little, but I can get rid of stuff up there. So here, I don't have to haul anything away. Just blow it right into the woods. And I don't so much have to worry about stuff being stolen off the truck like I did at one place, and that was a lawyer I worked for. He had a bunch of properties, and we had a bit of a falling out after at least 10 years of working for him. The guy was okay. He paid all right. I had to arm wrestle him for money, but he eventually paid. He wasn't used to paying. He was used to getting. And one of the places, you know, I'd be dealing with, there was trash, rotted food. I'd find needles, I'd find knives, and not like a nice buck knife, like some piece of shit from the dollar store. You know, but you're on your hands and knees sometimes, and I made the place look good, mulch beds and stuff, and these junkies would be up there, and I'd find even worse stuff than that, which I'm not going to get into details, but you definitely wanted gloves and Kevlar knee pads. So I don't miss it. I don't miss the aggravation. I lost a $600 leaf blower there, which sucked. And I'd much rather be out here. And I have more customers now. I don't advertise. I have actually too much. I just do this on the side. And I'm really busy right now, which is good. I'm wasting time making these videos here when I should be leaf blowing. So next I'm gonna blow all this stuff off, and right now the wind is at my back, which is blowing the wrong way. I'm not sure the direction, but if I had to guess, it's blowing north. And you can see that flag right there. That flag needs to be going this way. So So I'll be fighting the wind today. But I'll get it done, clean it up, get some fertilizer down for this guy, get his grass green. He's a good guy, he's a good customer. Goes to the gym I go to. And it's a big one. Nice town, nice street. Time to get back to work.